Here's a math problem that confuses almost everyone. 9 minus 9 times 9 minus 9. Let's look at some of the most common mistakes people make. First mistake, they go straight from left to right and say, 9 minus 9 equals 0, 0 times 9 equals 0, and 0 minus 9 equals negative 9. That's not correct. Second mistake, some people say, 9 minus 9 equals 0, and 9 minus 9 equals 0, so 0 times 0 equals 0. That sounds logical, but it's still completely wrong. Now, let's solve it the right way using PEMDAS. The order of operations, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Step 1. There are no parentheses or exponents here, so we start with multiplication. 9 times 9 equals 81. Now the expression becomes 9 minus 81 minus 9. Step 2. We move from left to right with subtraction. 9 minus 81 equals negative 72. Step 3. Now subtract the last 9. Negative 72 minus 9 equals negative 81. So, the correct value of 9 minus 9 times 9 minus 9 is negative 81. This shows exactly why we must always follow the order of operations. Because skipping the rules can make you end up with negative 9 or even 0 instead of the real answer. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing math explanations. See you in the next one!